Hi, I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video we're unboxing the Scrapbooking and Creative Kit from the September 2026 Marigold and Honey collection. This is the Creative Kit from the Marigold and Honey collection, and we are going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at each of the items included. Okay, the first thing I'm going to share with you in the Creative Kit is our extra large paper pad. This is one of my favorite CocoaDaisy products. I absolutely love how usable it is thanks to the paper being a little bit more lightweight, and there's 20 sheets. There's 2 of 10 different designs, so it's just a really versatile and fun product. Like I said, the paper is a little bit thinner. It is more like what you would think of from a traditional notepad, and I love all of these different patterns as well. I did already tear a handful of these out, so when you see them come loose, it's only because I tore them out already. And then there is a chipboard back on the pad, and I like that because obviously it keeps the papers like sturdy and flat, but I also think that you can use it in various little things. I like to make little mini albums out of it, or mini journals. There is a sheet of rub-on transfers. You can see there is a wide variety of different shapes. We have florals and moths and large paisleys. The artwork in this collection is by Pineapple Pear, and it's really just very lovely, and I love the combination of the golds and the blues and blushes together. All right, so we have a set of decorative cards this month. Next up is our package of die cut stickers. So all you have to do with these is just peel the back off and they will stick to your pages. And just like you would expect, there is a variety of different shapes and then sizes as well. So there is a set of tabs that's also in our planner kit and our deluxe journaling kit, but those are a bigger tab, but those are great for adding to the edge of a photo or a page, just lots of different ways to use those. And we do also have a set of these adhesive backed woven fabric pieces. Okay, so there's 2 of each design, and if you turn them over, on the back there is a little back, and you just peel that off and it will stick right to your project. Aren't those pretty? I love them too because they're just the texture is really very lovely, and I love how that's gonna like on our papers and stuff. It's gonna be really wonderful. All right, so we also have a package of layering die cuts. So I'm gonna show those to you. They're just really interesting and fun actually. Okay, so there's lots of different, there's textures, there's simple ones, there's different sizes, different shapes, and they have a very neutral flair. Obviously you can see that most of these are neutral, but even the ones that are not, they are not a really bold, overt pattern or color, and that's why I think that's wonderful. They're just going to be very, very usable with this entire collection. Now you can see this one, for example, there's 3 holes on the side, so it's kind of like a little tab in a binder. All right, and then we also have a couple of rolls of washi tape. So this first one, it's really gorgeous, these black sort of daisies. And then this other one is a golden mosaic pattern. Isn't that lovely? The color is just beautiful, especially like I said already with the blues and the blush color. It's so wonderful. And then the last item included is we have a set of 3 tiny metal clips by Tim Holtz. So I'm going to show them to you in my hand so you can see for scale how they're just the tiniest little things. They're so cute. And I absolutely love layering a couple of elements together and then putting these on there for a little bit of added texture and interest. Super cute, right? So this is the Marigold and Honey Creative Kit. And if you want to see photos, digital renderings, or project ideas, you can take a look on the subscribe page of our website. It is time for the Scrapbooking Kit from the Marigold and Honey collection. Our Scrapbooking Kit comes in this heavy plastic folder that has a Velcro closure, and it also has gusseted sides, so it folds up and expands and contracts. It's really great for storing your products, but then also for taking other items on the go and storing other items when you're finished with your kit. So first we have our papers. There are 2 sheets of white cardstock. It's beautiful, it's white, smooth, lovely cardstock. And then there are 6 sheets of double-sided patterned paper. This way you don't have to choose between which patterns you want to use. You can use them both. Okay, so those are the papers. And then we also have a set of puffy alphabet stickers. They are a lovely, lovely, I'm gonna say a peachy orange color. I think that they are just beautiful. I'm gonna call them a marigold color, if you will. And they coordinate beautifully with all of the artwork that is created by Pineapple Pear. There is also a set of rub-on transfers, and these are just beautiful. You can see the leaves, the watercolor splotches, the moths, and then also the 9 and the little September. There's also a sheet of chipboard stickers. If you have not received any of these this year, they are a little bit thinner than they were in the past, and they are great for adding to all of your projects. They are adhesive, so you just peel them off and stick them right on your project. Next, we also have a package of adhesive backed round woven fabric pieces. So basically they're fabric stickers, if you will. There's 10 of these included. So you can see on the back, you just peel that right off and it will stick to your project. All right, we also have a package of our die cut stickers. The same thing as the fabric pieces. All you have to do is peel the back off and it will stick right to your project. And there's a variety of different types. So you can see you have some decorative bits and then some with some words on them. Aren't those wonderful? I love them for layering. So you can absolutely take one like this. You could add the edge of this floral right here and then include any number of these others. So a ticket or the little paisley shape. There's just so many different ways to use these and put them together, but they definitely work really well together. So absolutely try layering them together if you have not. I think you'll enjoy how beautiful all these bits and pieces can be together. All right, so then we also have a package of these acrylic words, and they're a really thin black acrylic. I'm gonna pull out, there are 8 of them, 2 of each one. So for example, we have, I'm gonna move these down just for a second so you can see these. And then there's 2 of each of these. Okay, we also have some very fun, tiny little black paper clips. These are also something that I absolutely love because I think that it can be very fun to use these, obviously in lots of different ways, but layering little bits and pieces of things together and then using this to sort of finish off your little layered cluster. And I love the black. It's really gonna pop, give a little contrast, a little pop, if you will, just like that. It just adds a little bit of texture and interest, and the cluster ends up being super cute. Okay, so then we also have a 3x4 stamp set, and you can see there's a couple of different phrases and then a lot of really beautiful decorations with the moths and the leaves and the different little paisleys and other decorative elements. And then last but not least, we have our roll of washi tape. It has this beautiful black vine pattern. So this is our Marigold and Honey Scrapbooking Kit, and you can subscribe to this and receive everything that you see here, or you can subscribe to this kit and receive it with one of our Scrapbooking Kit add-ons. There are 3 of those, and I will go ahead and show you those add-ons. Okay, this is our 12x12 patterned paper, and you can subscribe to these as an add-on to our scrapbooking kit, or you can subscribe to them all on their own. Now there's 12 different sheets, there's 6 designs, and they're double-sided, and you receive 2 of each pattern. So let's take a look. There is a wide variety of different types of patterns, so you're able to mix and match and use them all together. And the beautiful thing about them being double-sided and receiving 2 of each is that you don't have to decide which side of the paper that you're going to use. You are able to use both of them. I'm really struck by looking at all of these laid out like this, how wonderful they all work together, a nice mix. And I know I already said that, but seeing them all laid out side by side just reinforces how beautiful all the patterns are and how they just go together. So you can see all of those beautiful patterns right there. So that's the 12x12 pattern paper. Now next I'm going to show you the pocket cards. And the same thing is true for these. You can subscribe to them on their own or as an add-on for our scrapbooking kit. Now there are 4 of our 4x6 cards, and they are also double-sided. So those are the 4x6 cards. Then we get into the 3x4. And like I said, they are double-sided. And what's wonderful about that is that there's just lots of different types of cards. So you can see here, like this one, there's some blank room for journaling or adding a photo or adding more embellishments and just creating a beautiful decorative card. And this is a calendar card, and one side is a Sunday start and then the other side is a Monday start. So no matter which you prefer, you have a card for that. All of the paper products that you see here are printed at a printer that is somewhat local to CocoaDaisy headquarters, and they use recycled inks and recycled papers. And the paper is just absolutely beautiful. This says made with love down here. It's so cute. And they're just wonderful. It's a nice heavy weight, but it's not too heavy. It's smooth, bright white, very, very lovely. Forgot to turn this hello one over, I think. Oh yeah, look at that, that's beautiful. The little florals in the watercolor. I'm glad I turned that one over. Lots and lots of different types of cards too. No matter what kind of things you like to use these cards for, I personally really enjoy using them as little decorative items. I also like using them as bookmarks, things like that. No matter what you use, there's lots of different designs, something for everybody in here. So you can see that was all of the 3x4 and the 4x6 cards in the pocket card subscription. And like I said, you can subscribe to this individually or as an add-on to our scrapbooking kit. And then the last one is our Simple Daisy notebook. Now this is a standard size traveler's notebook, and it has a heavy craft cover. And then you open it up and it has a beautiful patterned cover. And then inside there is a mix of different types of pages. So you have patterned papers, and you also have grid pages and dot grid pages. Plus little phrases and quotes like this one. Here is a lined page. And then opened up, this is a beautiful full page. Then we have another dot grid, and then a nice dot grid layout so that you can add all of the things that you want to use. And just like I said already, the paper is lovely. It's a lovely, smooth, bright white. It's the perfect weight. It's not too heavy, it's not too thick, and it is also fountain pen friendly as well, if that is something that you are interested in. And then on the back, we have a lovely back cover, and today's is making your daily schedule a little more graceful. And this is a wonderful notebook for scrapbooking, but it also works really well for journaling and absolutely could be used for planning and collaging and all kinds of different things as well. Now, our Simple Daisy notebook is unique because you can subscribe to it by itself. You can subscribe to it as an add-on for our scrapbooking kit, and you can also subscribe to it as an add-on for our planner kit as well. So if you would like to see photos or digital renderings or project ideas for any of these, you can check those out on our website.